Hey guys, Chef Garces here. This is a Peruvian-inspired sauce called Leche De Tigre. You puree fresh fish into a citrus-based sauce that gives this milky texture. Some white onions in here, a little bit of jalapeno, fresh ginger, clean, agave nectar. For this sauce, I've got whole chunks of cod, fresh lime juice, a little bit of salt, a little sugar. We have just some ice water. Ice water is good because it's gonna keep the fish from cooking. All right, so we're gonna get this going. Okay, super bright, super refreshing, a little heat. I have some diced mahi-mahi, raw fish in here. I'll kind of salt this up. A little bit of red onion, a little jalapeno, some chopped cilantro, and of course our Leche De Tigre sauce. Nice and fresh and delicious. Very simple to make. I'm gonna add this mahi right in there. Some crunchy corn nuts. There you have it. You have a mahi ceviche coated in Leche De Tigre sauce. Enjoy, guys.